Start by laying out your two large side panels on a soft surface. We're going to attach the drawer slides. Use 3 screws per slide, and make sure you have the CR and CL panels oriented correctly as indicated in the manual. Now, grab your cam bolts. You'll need 12 of them for this part. Screw them into the pre-drilled holes on both side panels until the plastic shoulder is flush with the board. Next, take your horizontal support rails and insert 14 wooden dowels into the ends. These will provide stability once we join the pieces together. Align the first horizontal support rail with the bottom set of cam bolts on the side panel and push it firmly into place. Go ahead and attach the rest of the support rails in the same way, working your way up the panel. Secure these rails by inserting 5 cam locks into the holes on the rails and turning them clockwise with a screwdriver until they're locked tight. Now, place the middle vertical divider onto the center of the support rails you just installed. Secure this middle divider piece with 1 cam lock. Make sure the arrows on the cam locks point towards the piece they are connecting to before you turn them. Grab the long support beam for the base. We need to attach these sturdy corner brackets using 4 screws as shown. While we have this beam ready, let's attach 2 plastic glides to the bottom side to protect your floors. Now, mount this entire beam assembly to the main dresser frame using 2 more screws. This adds essential bottom support. Carefully place the large bottom panel onto the frame assembly. Align the holes with the dowels and cam bolts. Lock the bottom panel securely in place with 6 cam locks. Tighten them all down firmly. Attach the final front support rail at the top section using 2 screws. We're building up the main skeleton now. Attach 4 plastic glides to the bottom corners of the side panels. Once they're on, it's time for a big move. Flip the whole structure onto its back surface. Let's prepare the top section. Insert 2 wooden dowels into the ends of the narrow top rail piece. Align and push this rail into the underside of the large top panel piece. Secure the joint using 2 small L brackets and the corresponding short screws. This keeps the top rail from shifting. Flip that top panel over and screw in 6 cam bolts into the designated holes. Take the small top divider panel. Attach 3 drawer slides to the right side using the small screws. Flip it and repeat on the left side with the remaining 3 slides. Accuracy here ensures smooth drawers later. Insert 2 of the larger wooden dowels into the edge of the divider as indicated. Join this small top divider to the center of the top panel assembly. Secure it from the other side with 2 cam locks. Tighten them well. Before the top goes on the dresser, attach the 2 safety wall mounting L brackets to the back edge using the provided screws and washers. Safety is key. Now back to the frame. Attach the front kickplate piece at the very bottom of the dresser frame using 2 screws. Insert 2 wooden dowels into the top edges of the main frame side panels. Carefully lower the entire top panel assembly onto the dresser frame. Make sure everything lines up. Reach inside and secure the top panel with 4 cam locks. The main carcass is now complete. Slide the 2 large back panels into the grooves along the rear of the dresser frame. Get your hammer and the bag of nails. Start by securing the top corner of the back panel as shown. In the middle where the panels meet, nail through the small plastic support piece to keep the back panels tight. Drive a nail into the opposite top corner to keep the panels aligned. Now, go all around the perimeter and drive in the remaining 27 nails evenly. Once finished, carefully stand the dresser upright. Position your dresser against the wall. Use a pencil to mark the drilling spots through the holes in your safety brackets. Pull the dresser slightly away from the wall so you have enough room to drill safely and accurately. Refer to the chart for your specific wall type, drywall, wood, or masonry. Drill your holes and insert the appropriate wall plugs if needed. Move the dresser back into place and screw it firmly into the wall through the brackets. This prevents the unit from tipping over. Never skip this step. Now for the fun part. Drawer assembly. For all 6 drawers, start by screwing 4 cam bolts into each drawer front panel. Insert 4 wooden dowels into the pre-drilled holes on the side panels of each drawer. Press the drawer side panels onto the front panel's bolts. Warning: do not lean on or stand on these pieces during assembly. Secure each side panel to the front with 2 cam locks per side. Turn them until they are tight. Carefully slide the drawer bottom panels into the grooves provided in the side and front pieces. For the 4 large lower drawers, slide the metal support hook into place. This keeps the drawer bottom from sagging under weight. Place the drawer back panel onto the rear of the assembly, making sure it fits into the grooves. Hammer in 4 screws around the perimeter to hold the back panel firmly in place. Finally, flip the drawer and attach the roller glides to the bottom edges using 6 screws per drawer. Repeat for all 6 drawers. Slide the first small top drawer into its slot. Important reminder: only ever open one drawer at a time for safety. Now slide in the second small drawer right next to the first one. Slide in the first large drawer and make sure it clicks into the safety locks on the drawer slides as shown. Give it a smooth push to close. Perfect. Insert the next large drawer and engage those slide locks again. Slide it shut smoothly. Repeat the process for the 5th drawer down. Click and lock. Close it up. Last one. Slide the bottom large drawer into place and lock it onto the rails. Close the final drawer. Your IKEA MALM 6-drawer dresser is fully assembled and safe. Great job!